slick. Someone give me some advice with kind tires you use on it. These ones I got on there keep on spinning. Can't get no traction. I don't know if you can see it. As it's hitting the gas, no brake, nothing. It just keeps on spinning.